What's up? Stay cute, and you know what to do. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. You already know we're getting into it with another review. We are doing another I-Blason case. This is the I-Blason Cosmo full body bumper case for the iPhone XR. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is for the iPhone XR. This is my phone. Here we go. Ooh. Anything else in there? Nothing else. Ooh. Oh, what? Yes, what? Yes, and it comes with the guide as well. Yes. Alright, so it's just telling me the guide, how to open it. Insert the cord into the corner, split front and back. Snap the front case onto the phone, slip the back in, and you're done. It's that easy. This is pretty. Why did I think it was blue at first? Separating from front casing from rear casing. Okay, this is where. So you separate it. It's telling you separate it. Right down there. Oh, this is like ready to separate it. So I'm gonna try to use my nail. Hey. So you might not need a coin. You probably can just slip that like that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna remove the phone. And this is the screen protector right here. And this is the back. Oops. This is the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my phone off one last good time. Beauty. I'm gonna peel that apart. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it on there. One more wipe, just to be safe. Go ahead and slap that on there. You see, I'm kind of pushing it down. I'm gonna start from the bottom. I'm gonna work my way up to the top. It's in. Straight like that. Okay. Peel that off. This is like okay. Just gonna clean my back off one good time. And back and then front, so and then through the back, kind of like that, and I'm gonna put it in through the front. Just kind of gonna squeeze it in there. And there you have it. Once again, thanks for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if this is helpful to you. This is another I-Blason case. If you want me to do a review on anything else, please leave a comment down below. another phone case, another product from them. Their product has been great so far. Click the link down below to check out my previous phone case from them, and guys, it's still good. Like, this is it. It's still good. I'm just now taking it off. It's been some months, so definitely check them out. Remember, I got this from Amazon. It's about the same price, about like $19.99 price range, but it's good. And I dropped my phone by like a few times. No bruises, no scars, so still good. Thanks for watching this video, and with that being said, I'm out.